April 7, 2025, global stock markets experienced significant declines today, fueled by escalating trade tensions and growing fears of a global recession. In Asia, Japan's Nikkei 225 plummeted nearly 8%, while Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index tumbled 10.7%. China's Shanghai Composite and Taiwan's TAIEX also faced substantial losses of 6.3% and 9.7%, respectively. The turmoil was triggered by the U.S. administration's recent imposition of broad tariffs, which have sparked fears of a global trade war and potential recession. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell into correction territory, and the Nasdaq entered a bear market following a historic two-day plunge. Economists and market analysts warn of an economic downturn if no resolution emerges, with J.P. Morgan raising the likelihood of a U.S. recession to 60%. In response to these developments, investors are increasingly calling for the Federal Reserve to implement rapid interest rate cuts to mitigate the economic impact. U.S. Treasury yields have fallen sharply, particularly for short-term notes, indicating rising expectations of significant rate reductions. This comes despite previous remarks by Fed Chair Jerome Powell and reflects growing concerns over a potential economic recession. Market experts emphasize the need for clear signals from policymakers, potential U.S.-China negotiations, or stimulus measures to stabilize sentiment and halt the market's decline. Until then, volatility and investor anxiety are expected to persist.